Honestly speaking, VS Code is not bad, but as a developer or programmer, I always wanted to be like a hacker man while using Vim. Okay, so every developer has their own dream, and one of them is using Vim properly. And I am not in a Linux system, I know, but in MacBook it also works. So I will open up my item session, and that's good. So let's just put clear and now brew install Vim. Okay, so let's just wait for Vim to install, and meanwhile I will be telling you something about Vim. For those of you who don't know, Vim is a command line based terminal mainly for Linux operating systems, but it is also available in Windows and Mac OS. And for Mac you can install using brew install Vim, and that's good. And Vim forces you to allow usage of keyboard more than mouse. And honestly speaking, I use mouse way too much as a developer. So that's why I am trying to get to know Vim so that I can get used to using keyboard. For the last couple of times when I have used Vim, means while installing Linux, I was using Vim to one or two times. In that situation, Vim was like uh, I didn't even know how to quit. So I have come prepared, a bit prepared with some cheat sheet along my side. And so I will be showing you that meanwhile Vim is installing. And I would hope you will enjoy this video. In the next video, I will be customizing Vim to look like VS Code a lot more, because I know Vim has that capability and I have seen a few online videos about that. So I guess that would work. Uh, so get started with. I am waiting for the Vim to install. Meanwhile, I can say you how, if you can comment about how to quit from Vim. Did you know that in the first go, or did you figure it out, or how did you do that? For me personally, I am using some cheat sheets. Looks like Brew has a lot of update to do, and it is updating, and everything is on red. I don't know why. And finally, they have installed Code Vim. Let's just wait for it to install completely, and I will be back once it is installed. So finally, the Vim installation is complete, and we have made the terminal full screen because it is going to be a terminal heavy video. And don't worry, don't be scared out of the terminal, because terminal is really friendly. So no worries. So we will cd into desktop, and we will make a directory of Vim test, and we will cd into Vim test. Okay, so with Vim you can create new files. So let's just say Vim test.txt. Okay, so we are in Vim. So first of all, you can move with arrow keys if you have space to move. Because I have no space to move, so we cannot move. Also, you can use AJKL to move. I will be showing you that later, but the first of all, you need to know how to quit from Vim. For that, you are in command mode. By default, you are in command mode. Okay, you need to type colon q, enter, you quit. Okay, then again, let's just say we want to change something. We have opened the file again. We can press I from the keyboard to get into insert mode. Now you can write anything in insert mode. So let's just say hello world. This is entirely written in Vim. I used to fear Vim, but now I really like it. Okay, let's just say we have written it, and now we need to get out of insert mode. Just press escape and you are now in command mode. And now we can move using arrow keys up, down, left, right. That's okay, but we can also use H for left, L for right, J for down, K for up. Okay, it's a little bit finicky to get used to, and I always forget J and K, but L and H are clear. Okay, J to jump down, K to go up, and we need to remember it like that because I often forget that. Okay, also you can go is like W. I think W, yeah, you can go word by word, or if you want to go backwards, so you can do B. Okay, this is backwards word by word. And if you want to go like to the beginning of the word, you can also use B. Sorry, beginning of the line you can use 0, end of the line use dollar. Let's say we are in the middle of the text and we want to go to the top, we can use GG. Sorry, GG. Why isn't GG working? Oh, it is small GG. I was pressing capital GG. Yeah, Vim does that. Vim also distinguishes between capital case and small case. And capital G next to the last line, GG, capital G, and to the end of the file, $sign. Okay, so that's good. And then we can do is like, let's just say we are in the insert mode and we can remove. Okay, that's good. And let's just say we have done some changes but we want to quit. Okay, by default it would not let me quit because we have done some changes. So I have accidentally deleted the like it, so let's just add that, escape, and now we need to quit but we cannot. :Q, that won't let me quit because I haven't written or discarded. So if you want to discard it, you will type :Q bang. Bang means exclamation point, that will let you quit. But if you want to save, you can say WQ, this will write and quit. And if you want to save, you can just write W, that will be written. And now you can quit. Let's just open the file again and we will insert some more text. Okay, so some more text. Let's just add some line breaks, and yeah, that's good. We will press escape to get to our command mode. Now let's just say I used to fear Vim, I want to copy this line. So for copying, the command is Y. So before that we need to select the line. For selecting we can get into V, I guess. So let me just check the cheat sheet because I cannot remember everything myself as well. So for that, to copy you need to get to the selection mode, and to get to the selection mode you type visual mode. Okay, I was doing something wrong. And in visual mode you can select text and escape to get out of it, and again visual mode. Visual mode lets you select things. As soon as you press V, you are selecting text. Okay, that's good. Now we need to copy. So for that we will do YY, that will copy some text. And for paste we need to type capital P, and that text is pasted. That's good. So we can press P as long as we want. Okay, so that is creating a wall of text. That's good. And to paste before, you can go like here and press capital P, it will paste before. That's good. And let's just say we want to paste something from the system keyboard. That we can do is using *P, that will paste from the system keyboard. I think the *P is also having the normal copy of the Vim. Now we have a lot of lines, we need to delete them. For that we can use DD, that will delete a line. Or we can do is, let's just say we want to delete the next 30 lines, so we can type is 30 DD, that will delete the next 30 lines. Okay, that's good. Now we can get into insert mode and press enter here, and we will exit out of insert mode. DD to delete line, DW will delete words. And if you are middle of a line word and you press DW, that will delete the rest of the word. But if you are in a middle of word and want to delete the whole word, you can use a smaller command, that is CW. Sorry, not CW. That is DIW. That will delete the word. I means inside. That will delete the whole word from there. If you want to delete a sentence, that's DD again. And there is a shortcut also to get into insert mode while deleting, that is C. Okay, so we will CC into this sentence and we are automatically into change mode or insert mode. Okay, and we can just say I used to fear Vim, and we will delete the line. Okay, not deleting like that. Escape, DD. Okay, and then CW. Okay, that's good. And now I love it. Okay, we need to insert some more Vim text. Vim is up 90 using Vim seems really cool. So let's just save, exit out of it, save it with W. Okay, not capital W, that small W. Okay, so things have changed. Now we can like search for Vim. Okay, now Vim. Okay, we can go to N goes to next word, and capital N goes to previous word. Okay, previous, next, small n is next, and capital N is previous. Okay, that's good. Now we need to, so say we have done some mistakes, so we can do is we can undo them. We need to type U to undo. Okay, U is undo, and redo is control capital R. Okay, DD. Okay, now it looks good, but one thing we are missing as a programmer is line numbers. So line numbers, I don't think line numbers is a command. Line numbers in Vim, let's just do line numbers in Vim. So colon and set number. Okay, I was thinking line numbers, set number, and now we have line numbers. So we go into insert mode, we add a few lines. Okay, that's good. And we can jump by line, I guess. So set relative number. Okay, that's good. We are in line number 6, and we can see where is the line 1 2 3 4 5, and we can go is, let's just say we want to go to the hello world line. We can type 4J. Okay, 4J is down, so that will be 8K. 8K brings me to the top. We could have also typed GG to get to the top and G to the end. And as a gamer, GG is really good. Oh, one more thing, sorry, replace colon S. Okay, slash the word, let's just say Vim, and we will replace Vim with VS Code. And now if we provide G and pattern not found Vim, because that's going for that line only. But if you want to go globally, you can do is %s slash Vim slash VS Code G. Okay, Vim is replaced with VS Code. Okay, so that's how you replace things in Vim. I think that will be it for this video. In the next video, we will dive more into Vim once we have some customizations, and then I will try to make a real web page with Vim. Until then, press :Q. Okay, we have changes, so :WQ. Okay.